International Quality Crown Award, London. International Star Quality and Leadership Award, Paris. International Achievers Award for Health Excellence, Lifetime Achievement Award, Indian Achievers Award, International Gold Star Millennium Award, Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, Indira Gandhi Sadbhavna Award.
It's very interesting how I came in contact with Dr. Ganguly. My wife is a devotee of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, and they have a ashram in Bangalore. I had a lot of pain in my knees, and as you know, we have to travel a lot. I had to travel a lot. And whenever I come back from that tour, I used to complain about my pain on my knees. And it was really painful. So she said one day, you have got so much of pain, why don't you show one Dr. Ganguly? I believe he is a miracle doctor. In ashram, I believe all the foreign delegates, devotees, used to come to Bangalore. Dr. Ganguly is the most favorite doctor there. Everybody will treat. Everybody will come to him for treatment. So I said, I don't know him. Well, I also don't know him. Let's go and see him. So she gave a ring to Dr. Ganguly and said that I said, if he can come to my house first and then see if he can take me as a patient, then I will go. So Dr. Ganguly came and he saw me and he said, okay, no problem, I'll cure you. But you have to come to my chamber, and chamber is in Hajra. I said, how can I go? I've got office from 10 to 5 every day. He said, anytime you make it out, you're a chairman, you just make 1.5 hours every day. I only take for 3-4 days and then I'll release you. Because it was so painful, I agreed, okay, I'll go. And he did the treatment there in Hajra. Hajra was very small. Most of you, whoever has gone to Hajra, Dr. Ganguly's chamber, you are not comparable to what you see in 6th floor here. Anyway, but you are so kind, so nice, and as Mr. Shastri said, that his people are so good, so humble, so careful about the patient. In spite of that particular small little place, they treated me so well for 3-4 days, and then he said, you don't have to come to chamber anymore. You just take this oil and do the massaging. Give me some instruction how to do it. And believe you me, it was really vanished. I initially had doubts that this massaging will not take this out. Maybe I have to go for some allopathic treatment and all, because I want fast treatment. I want fast cure. I cannot drag on for weeks after weeks. He said, no, it will be like that. It will be cured in such a short time. Which is true. It happened. That was in 2004 or 2005, Dr. Ganguly. It is about 8-10 years back on that. So after that, whoever had got any pain, I recommended to go to him, Dr. Ganguly. But Dr. Ganguly became very busy. He can't take patient because as he said, waiting list is so big. And he moves around, and he was really looking after Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's all patients also, because as we call him Guruji, he used to send patient to Dr. Ganguly in Calcutta. Whoever comes with a pain, he said go to him. People coming from Germany, from USA, from Canada, all these people they have no place to stay in Calcutta. But small little place, somewhere other than the hotel or all, they will stay and come here for treatment to Dr. Ganguly. And that's what is Dr. Ganguly is today. But one thing I go on telling him, that you are such a miracle doctor, your things are so good, because I have experienced myself. Why don't you spread it? Why don't you, people have so much of pain, particularly on the knees, on the side, on cheeks. And you're talking about the painless society you're going to make, but nobody knows. You have got such a small little place. In that time I was in Hajra. Small little place, 4 beds, and you have hardly anybody there, your nurses, to do it. He said, I'll have it, slowly I will have it. And he did it. We opened the Panditya place. Now today we are sitting in Salt Lake Chamber, and as he said, he is going to open in Bombay. He has already opened in Greater Kailash, in Delhi. He is going out in New York, going out in Singapore. See how much it will become popular, because his treatment, as Shastri ji said, कोई जादू कर देता है, जहाँ भी छूता है वो जादू कर देता है. और any man who is really going through the pain, if he is relieved from the pain, in how much he gives the blessings to him, Ashirwad, যে তোমার ভালো হবে. Exactly same thing is happening to Dr. Ganguly. Everybody's blessings, whoever he has cured, painlessly. Curing in a treatment is also painless. He's done it so well on that. I'm so pleased today to come here to see that he is doing so well and treating so many people to bring them relief in their making a painless life.